Hey there! Are you ready for our English lesson today?
Hi. Yes, I'm excited to learn something new. What are we going to focus on today?
Today, we're going to start by learning about the simple future tense and how to conjugate verbs in this tense.
Okay, sounds good. Can you explain what the simple future tense is?
Sure! The simple future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. For example, I will go to the store tomorrow.
Got it. And how do we conjugate verbs in the simple future tense?
We use the base form of the verb and add will before it. For example, I will eat dinner later. It's the same for regular verbs, but some irregular verbs have their own unique conjugation in the simple future tense.
That makes sense. Can you give me some examples of irregular verbs and how they're conjugated?
Sure! For example, the verb to be is irregular in the simple future tense. I will be is the conjugation for I am. You will be is the conjugation for you are, and so on.
Ah, I see. So we just need to memorize the irregular verb conjugations?
Yes, that's right. But don't worry, there aren't too many irregular verbs in the simple future tense.
Okay, great. Can we practice some verb conjugation exercises now?
Of course. Let's start with some regular verbs. How about the verb to run?
Okay. I will run, you will run, he, she, it will run, we will run, you will run, and they will run.
Excellent job. Now let's try an irregular verb. How about the verb to have?
Okay. I will have, you will have, he, she, it will have, we will have, you will have, and they will have.
Great work! You're getting the hang of it. Let's try a few more exercises.
Sure, let's keep going.
Okay, how about the verb to go?
I will go, you will go, he, she, it will go, we will go, you will go, and they will go.
Perfect! One more. How about the verb to see?
I will see, you will see, he, she, it will see, we will see, you will see, and they will see.
Excellent job! You're a natural at verb conjugation in the simple future tense.
Thanks. I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of it.
That's great to hear. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more confident with the simple future tense.
Will do. Thanks for the lesson.
You're welcome. See you next time. Hi there. Are you ready for today's English lesson?
Hi. Yes, I'm excited to learn more. What will we be focusing on today?
Today, we'll be learning about the simple future tense with will. This tense is used to talk about future events that are likely to happen. For example, I will study for the exam tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So how do we form the simple future tense with will?
To form the simple future tense with will, we simply use the subject followed by will, and then the base form of the verb. For example, I will eat dinner later.
That sounds simple enough. Can you give me some more examples?
Sure. She will go to the beach this weekend. We will watch a movie tonight. And they will visit their grandparents next month.
I see. And when do we use the simple future tense with will?
We use it to talk about something that we're planning to do or that we believe will happen in the future. For example, I will go to the gym tomorrow, or he will be at the meeting next week.
Okay, got it. Can we practice some exercises now?
Absolutely. Let's start with some basic sentences. How about, I will clean the house tomorrow?
You will cook dinner tonight. She will finish her homework before bed. We will go for a walk after lunch. They will take a vacation next month.
Great job! Let's try some more complex sentences. How about, he will study hard, so he can get into college?
I will save up enough money to buy a new car. You will learn how to play the guitar next year. She will write a book someday. We will start our own business in the future. They will become great parents one day.
Excellent work! You're getting the hang of the simple future tense with will. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more confident.
Thanks for your help. This is really starting to make sense to me.
You're welcome. Just remember to use will when you're talking about something that you're planning to do or that you believe will happen in the future.
I will definitely remember that. Thanks again for the lesson.
No problem. See you next time. Hey there. Ready for our English lesson today?
Hi. Yes, I am. What will we be focusing on today?
Today, we'll be learning about the simple future tense with be going to. This tense is used to talk about future events that we have already planned or decided to do. For example, I am going to visit my parents this weekend.
Oh, I think I understand. So, how do we form the simple future tense with be going to?
To form the simple future tense with be going to, we use the subject followed by am, is, or, are, and then going to, plus the base form of the verb. For example, I am going to study for my test tonight.
That sounds pretty straightforward. Can you give me some more examples?
Sure. She is going to start a new job next month. We are going to see a movie tonight. And they are going to travel to Europe next year.
Okay, got it. And when do we use the simple future tense with be going to?
We use it to talk about something that we have already decided to do or that we are planning to do in the near future. For example, I am going to buy a new car next week. Or, he is going to finish his project by the end of the day.
I see. Can we practice some exercises now?
Sure. Let's start with some basic sentences. How about, I am going to cook dinner tonight?
You are going to take the dog for a walk later. She is going to visit her friend next week. We are going to have a party next month. They are going to start a new business soon.
Good job. Let's try some more complex sentences. How about, he is going to study hard, so he can get into a good college?
I am going to save up enough money to buy a house. You are going to learn how to speak French fluently. She is going to publish her first book next year. We are going to climb Mount Everest one day. They are going to start a charity to help people in need.
Excellent work. You're doing great with the simple future tense with be going to. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more confident.
Thanks for your help. I think I'm starting to understand it better now.
You're welcome. Just remember to use be going to when you're talking about something that you have already planned or decided to do in the near future.
I will definitely remember that. Thanks again for the lesson.
No problem. See you next time. Hi Sarah, how are you doing today?
Hi, teacher. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. So, today we'll be talking about the differences between will and be going to in the simple future tense. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. I've heard these two forms are used to talk about the future, but I'm not sure about the difference between them.
That's right. Will and be going to are both used to talk about future events, but they have different uses and meanings. Let's start with will. It's used to talk about something that is not planned or arranged, and often refers to a decision made at the moment of speaking.
Okay, so can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say you're thinking about going to the beach tomorrow. You might say, I haven't decided yet if I will go to the beach tomorrow.
Oh, I see. So, will is used for something that is not planned or arranged and refers to a decision made at the moment of speaking.
Exactly. Now, let's move on to be going to. It's used to talk about something that is already planned or arranged, or something that is likely to happen based on evidence or a previous decision.
Can you give me an example for be going to?
Sure. Let's say you've already made plans with a friend to go to the beach tomorrow. You might say, I'm going to the beach tomorrow with my friend.
Okay, I think I got it. So, be going to is used for something that is already planned or arranged, or something that is likely to happen based on evidence or a previous decision.
Yes, that's right. Now, let's do a practice exercise. I'll give you a sentence, and you tell me if you would use will or be going to. I buy a new car next month.
Let me think. Since it's a decision I haven't made yet, I would use will. So, I will buy a new car next month.
Excellent, Sarah. That's correct. Now, let's try another one. I have already saved enough money, so I buy a new car next month.
Oh, I see. Since it's already planned and arranged, I would use be going to. So, I am going to buy a new car next month.
Perfect, Sarah. You're getting the hang of it. Do you want to try one more?
Yes, please.
The sky is getting dark, so it rain soon.
Since it's likely to happen based on evidence, I would use be going to. So, it is going to rain soon.
Great job, Sarah. You're really getting the hang of using will and be going to in the simple future tense. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.